Knocking will let me in. As y'all can see, YouTube, I done got these doors, got the locks finished on it. Y'all hear? Alright, now we lock, and we finna open. Y'all can see. Let y'all know it ain't no gimmick, man. Go ahead and get them balls a lot. Let y'all know this shit ain't no gimmick. It's done. I just gotta put up this, finish lacing up this door panel. It's done. But as y'all can see, we official like a referee whistle, baby. Now we're gonna go ahead and lock it. Oh yeah, we gonna really show y'all. Let's walk around with them. We got our four doors working. You know what I'm saying? This ain't no bullshit. This shit ain't no bullshit. You know what I'm saying, YouTube? Yeah. Hold on. So y'all, let me lock it. Let me lock it. So y'all, it's locked.
Oh, we ain't getting in there.
We ain't getting in there. Unlock. I love you, YouTube. Great kit. Great kit, man. Alright, so it's unlocked the front one. Okay, the back, it's unlocked too. Well, probably not. Let's go ahead and lock that boy. It's locked. Alright, there y'all have it, YouTube. There go the installation of the central lock popping door kit, man. Y'all want it, go get it. Cheap. Ain't hard to install. That's it, YouTube, and we out.